Hi and welcome back to MRTV. This video is for all of you who just bought the Vive Pro 2 or who are about to buy it, and also for those of you who have the original Vive or the Vive Pro or even the Vive Cosmos, because for all of these headsets, they have one big problem. The microphone simply sucks. There's no other way to say it, but there's a really simple way to solve this problem by simply giving your headsets a little beard, just like I did it here. And with this, your problems will be solved. So absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and all of this goodness is coming up. Welcome back again here to MRTV. My name is Sebastian Ank, and this channel here is all about virtual reality. I'm bringing you independent product reviews of all of your headsets, of your accessories, and I'm bringing you tutorials just like this one here. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, absolutely do that now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. And now let's talk about the microphones of these headsets, of this headset and of all the other Vive headsets. The problem is that there is absolutely too much pop noises going on. Whenever you say a P word, like for example Peter, then you will have this bad sounding pop noises. And let's listen together how that sounds without that mod. This is how the microphone of the Vive Pro 2 sounds. Vive Pro 2 microphone check. Peter Parker still plays piano. Peter Parker still plays piano. As you can tell, you really don't want to sound like this when you're in a multiplayer game, or even if you're using this for business and when you are in a VR meeting. So what you want to do, you want to add a little pop filter here. So these pop filters here are actually made for cameras, for microphones, for cameras, and they come like this to you. This is a self-adhesive ring that you put over the microphone, and this is the actual wind filter. Let me show you now how to install it, for example, here on the Pro 2. All right, so this is the microphone that we need to mod, that we need to add a pop filter to. And it's really simple. So you can get these self-adhesive pop filters from Amazon, linked down in the description of this video. And first of all, you would use this self-adhesive part and attach it over the microphone. There's a hole, as you can tell, and the microphone hole should be placed exactly into the hole of this self-adhesive part. Just like this. And looks like this. All right. And then you simply take one of these wind filters and you place it on top of that self-adhesive ring. And yeah, that's it. It's really, really that simple. If you want, you can also put a pop filter on the other microphone as well, and then it will even sound better. And that's it. That's it. You now have a little beard on your Vive Pro 2, and it will look like this. And it will sound so much better. As you can tell, this was really simple. It would not even take you a minute or so. And then your Vive Pro 2 or your Vive Cosmos or your Vive Pro has a little beard. And well, who doesn't want to have a little beard on their wonderful Pro 2 or on their headset? Well, the main thing is your pop noises will be so much improved, and it's going to sound more like that. This is how the modded microphone of the Vive Pro 2 sounds. Vive Pro 2 microphone check. Peter Parker still plays piano. Peter Parker still plays piano. As you can tell, this is a must-do mod, and I call this the Franken-mic mod. So the Franken-mic mod is an absolute must-do for everyone who owns the Pro 2 or the Vive Pro or the Vive Cosmos, and it's only going to set you back a couple of dollars. So this is how I bought it. It set me back like $15 or so, and the link to these is down in the description of this video. So you can pick this up on Amazon for around $15 for 10. And well, probably you can share this cost with a friend who also has a Vive Pro 2 or another Vive headset, and then it's not going to be so expensive. But believe me, you really want to do this mod. It's a must-do mod, and then afterwards you'll sound okay. Actually, I did stream with that when I did my wireless test, and I felt the microphone was okay then, absolutely usable. So this mod is a good one. All right, and that's it already for this tutorial video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If yes, give it a thumbs up. And do let me know, did you already do the Franken-Mic mod, or are you going to do the Franken-Mic mod? Please do let me know in the comment section of this video. Make some noise for the algorithm so that more people can find this channel. Also, if you want more content from me, if you want behind the scenes videos and reviews earlier than the rest, then become a member of the MRTV Elite at mrtvelite.com. That is my Patreon channel. It's only going to set you back $1, and it's absolutely worth it. 500 people, can't be wrong about this. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV yet, do so now. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.